In this video, I will show you how to download and install Crunchyroll on your Sony Bravia TV. Now, over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't really matter the type of Sony TV you have. Whether you have the Sony Bravia Google TV or the Sony Bravia Android TV or even the old Sony Bravia TV, by the end of this video you should be able to get the Crunchyroll app into your Sony TV. Now, to download and install the Crunchyroll app, first things first, you want to make sure that your Sony Bravia TV is actually connected to the internet. So if you come over to the top of my Sony Bravia TV, come over to the Wi-Fi settings over here, you can literally see that it is actually connected to my phone hotspot. So go ahead and make sure that your Sony TV is actually connected to a Wi-Fi network or just your phone hotspot. And once that is done, you want to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store of your Sony TV. If you have the Sony Bravia Android TV, once you come over to the app section, you should be able to find the Google Play Store app on the list of apps over here on the TV. But for the Sony Bravia Google TV, just like this one, you have to scroll down to this search input field, and that is basically the Google Play Store. Now go ahead and enter this input field, and then from the Google Play Store, you want to go ahead and search for Crunchyroll. And once you're done, just scroll down and then click on the search icon over here. And automatically this will search the Google Play Store and give you results for the Crunchyroll app on your TV. Now basically you want to go ahead and select the Crunchyroll app. Now click on the install button and then give it a minute or two to fully download and install into your TV. Once the app is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on open. And just like so, we have the Crunchyroll app running smoothly on our Sony Bravia TV. Now if you already have a Crunchyroll account, you can go ahead and log in by just clicking on the login option. But if you're trying the Crunchyroll app for the first time, then you can just scroll down to start free trial and then go ahead and click on start free trial. Now at this point, you definitely would have to create an account by just scrolling to the right hand side. Go ahead and enter your email, and then once you're done, go ahead and enter your password as well. That is your preferred password. Then go ahead and create an account by clicking on create an account. You can as well go ahead and create an account by using the activation code at the top over here. Once you select that option, you have the option to visit crunchyroll.com/activate and then enter this code, create an account with your phone, and automatically an account will be created for your TV as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.